Hey, it's Amazon Vine review time. This time, we've got the remote control ocean wave projector. Now, if you're not familiar with one of these, they've been marketed as a sleep aid. So we'll get to the unboxing so that you can have a better look. So when we open up the box, we find a 3.5mm stereo audio adapter, a micro USB to USB connector, a remote control, an instruction manual, and a Model M-05 projector. The micro USB and 3.5mm jacks are on the back, and the infrared receiver and volume up-down buttons and a power button on the front. The top is removable. The head tilts about 35 degrees. This unit also has keyhole slots on the bottom so that you can mount it using screws. The remote does not come with batteries, so you will have to supply 2 AAA batteries. And the USB power supply is not included with it. The cable allows you to plug into just a standard USB power adapter. The unit comes with 6 pre-recorded sounds consisting of 3 sound effects and 3 music pieces. The 3.5mm stereo jack allows you to connect an external sound source. This particular model does not have an SD card slot for playing MP3s. There are 7 lighting effects ranging from a mix of red, blue, and green to solid colors, cycled colors, and flashing colors, and also a music-only setting. During my testing, I found an issue with the brightness control and the audio. What would happen is if I change the brightness level, I get a humming noise through the speakers, especially on the lowest level. Now this is usually caused from not isolating the circuitry for the dimmer from the audio amplifier. Now I didn't actually notice the noise until I actually had a very quiet room to set it up in, and I found that if you were trying to sleep with this running, it would probably keep you awake. Also, after running it for a few hours, I started to get a grinding noise from the gears, which is another problem, especially if you were still trying to use this as a sleep aid. What I did find it useful for was a Christmas ornament, something to complement our tree. Although this creates a really interesting lighting effect, I found that I can't really give it a great rating because of the noise issues and because of what it was supposed to be designed for. I would expect something that is to be made for a sleep aid to be nearly silent, and unfortunately this would disturb my sleep. The only thing that I could see this being useful for in light of the noise issues is for decoration or special effects of some kind. It appears to be a good concept, and it's appealing to look at, but I'm going to have to remove a star because of the noise issues. So my Amazon rating is 4 out of 5.